Assalamu alaikum. This is your teacher Muhammad Sandeep, and in this class, I am teaching like how you can make your first program in Python. What are the things you require to develop your first program in Python? Python is very important language. Everyone should learn it, whether you are a GCI, GCSE student, or whether you are learning for your university, or whether you are learning just for the understanding purpose. It's a good language. I try to upload all the lectures related to this topic related to Python. Apart from that, okay, so for Python, first you need a software that is known as IDE. IDE is what? IDE is basically integrated development environment, an environment where you can write your code, which helps you to write your code, right? I have uploaded a separate video on my YouTube channel related to IDE and the basic kind of programming terminologies. In this video, I'm not going to discuss that. I'm just jumping towards my program. Acha. For that, you can download IDE from a computer. Just search it here. I just downloaded for you. You can search PyCharm Community Edition or PyCharm Community Download on your browser. You see the chat page. Remember, there are two types of IDE, the PyCharm Professional Edition and the Community Edition. Professional Edition is paid and you need to pay for it, but you are a student, you can work in PyCharm Community Edition, that is free. You can download it here after clicking that. That will take some minutes. That's the latest version is somehow 450 or 500 MBs. It will take a couple of seconds to minutes. Okay. Once you download, you can work on that. Or if you don't want to download it, or your system is not having sufficient resources, or you are working on your mobile phone or your tablet, you can work on that. For that thing, you can just go on browser and search online compiler Python or your online Python compiler. There are tons of websites come over here. You can just go anywhere and you can work on that. Suppose I thought you have downloaded the function. First, go and download the thing. And now, coming towards the lecture, just you will see some sort of this kind of theme on your IDE. All right. So just new, I just click new. It's Python file. Name it whatever you want. I just giving the first. It's a Python file. Enter. Right. Now, here is your ID. Now you can work over here. Okay. Acha. Here I am. Okay. So here I can write anything. Close the program. I'm just displaying the thing, how it run. So just typing it, print. Remember that Python is a case sensitive language. What is meant by case sensitive language? Boys and girls, case-sensitive languages are those language where you need to be particular about the capitalization or a small letter in your programming. Means if I write print, what is print? Okay, give me just wait a while. I'll tell you. I just write print over here and just writing hello. What? Okay. Now we try to run it. Acha, what is this? What this program will do? Print is a function. What is a function? We will discuss later. But we will discuss later. For now, you just write the program, and here we use double brackets, round brackets, and inverted commas. Why? Because I don't want interpreter to understand what I am writing here. So that is why I just putting inverted comma over here. In inverted comma, whatever you are putting in, that displays without understanding by the interpreter. What is interpreter? Interpreter is a type of translator which is used by the programming language in order to understand our language, and interpreter can convert our language into machine language. Because see, this is a programming language. I can program this in Python, but computer only understand machine language. So what interpreter will do, interpreter will translate my programming language thing into the computer machine language, right? So I'm not going into much theory, just try to run it. See, it's run. I can see it's hello world. Okay. Acha, I have discussed this is the case sensitive language. So what will happen if you mistakenly write capital P? See, here is a red line. So it will not run. I'll give you. Acha, by the way, you can run it from here. Here is a run. There are multiple shortkeys over there. You can see it's Shift F10, or you can just simply run from here. See, there is an error. Why? Because it's a case sensitive language. We have discussed. So I'm just changing it into small, and see there is a red line goes away. So this is my first program, and hopefully you understand it, right? In next video, we will be doing something more towards another. Thank you.